What if I told you that this Airtel MiFi doesn't just work with Airtel, it also works with MTN, Glo, 9mobile, Smile, and even Entel. On top of that, it comes with an Airtel SIM card that gives you a 30GB data bonus after activation. But is it actually worth buying, or is it just another overhyped portable router? Today we are unboxing it, setting it up, looking at its features, and finding out whether it's still a smart buy or not. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mighty Solution, where we review gadgets, test technology, and help you spend your money wisely. If you are new here, consider subscribing because we regularly review laptops, smartphones, MiFi devices, routers, and other useful tech gadgets. Right now, let's see what this Airtel M30 Pro Universal MiFi has to offer. Let me take you through unboxing process of this device. The first thing inside is the Airtel M30 Pro MiFi itself. Next, you get a removable 3000 mAh battery to power your MiFi. There is also a USB charging cable. This USB charging cable is Type-C. You use this cable to charge your MiFi. And inside the box, you get a quick start guide. Here are details of how you operate or power on your device, and many other informations about this device is inside the start guide. Also, one thing many people don't know, an Airtel SIM card is also included in this package. Once you register and activate the SIM card, according to Airtel's promotional terms, you are eligible for a 30GB data bonus, which is valid for 1 month. If you already use Airtel, that's a nice bonus that lets you start using the MiFi immediately. Now over to design, builds, and ports. The first thing I notice is how compact this portable device is. Do you notice that? You notice it's compact, right? This MiFi is lightweight enough to fit into your backpack, laptop bag, pocket without taking much space. On the front, you have a LED indicators showing up the battery level, the signal strength, the SMS notifications, and Wi-Fi status. Removing the back cover gives access to the battery, SIM slot, and other essentials. Overall, it is feel simple, practical, and easy to carry around for work, traveling, or school. Right now, over to the ports. At the bottom of the MiFi, you find the charging port, the Type-C charging port at the bottom of the MiFi right here. And again, what makes this MiFi special is that it is LAN port enabled. So you can see this is the LAN port. It is LAN port enabled, so it makes it totally different and unique among its peers. So it makes it compact, different, and unique among its peers because it is LAN enabled. The LAN simply means a local area networking, and this LAN enable you to connect your desktop computer or even laptop computer, your smart TV, which are LAN enabled also. And even you can easily connect your gaming console via this LAN port to browse or access the internet or whatever you want to use it for. And also the power button is beside the LAN port. You can see it here. This is the power button. This is the power button beside the LAN ports. Right now, let's move to the setup. Setting this MiFi up is simple, easy, and straightforward. Just open the back cover, insert your SIM card, insert the battery, and press the power on button. After a few seconds, the Wi-Fi network appears. Connect using default Wi-Fi name and password printed inside the battery cover. So when you open your battery cover, when you open the battery cover of this device, you see the default Wi-Fi name, the default password, the Wi-Fi name, and the Wi-Fi password to log in, like to access this device. You can also log into the management page to change your Wi-Fi password, rename the network, and manage connected device. So if you don't know how to log in your management page, this is how to access it. check the URL here on my address bar, then just type it on your address bar. Then you do all this after you connect your Wi-Fi, right? After you connected your MiFi to either your phone or to your laptop. Now visit this address. After this page appear to you, the default username and password to log in here is admin, both admin in small letter. The username is admin and the password is admin. So after you logged in, so you see a dashboard where you can change your Wi-Fi password, you can rename your MiFi devices, and you can also manage all connected devices here. So that is simple as that. Now let me talk about the universal network support of this MiFi, and this is probably the biggest reason many people choose to buy this version. Unlike some carrier locked MiFi devices, this particular model is sold as a universal version. That means it supports multiple Nigerian networks including Airtel, MTN, Glo, MyMobile, Smile and Intel. Just keep in mind that this depends on purchasing the unlocked universal version like the one shown here. If you buy a network locked version elsewhere, your experience might be different. Right now, let's look into the performance and internet speed of this MiFi. This MiFi supports a 4G LTE with advertised download speed of up to 150 megabytes per second. It is important for you to understand that the 150 megabytes per second is the maximum capability of the hardware. In real life, your speed depends on your network provider, signal strength, network congestion, your location, and time of the day. Take it like this: for everyday tasks like browsing, YouTube streaming, Zoom meetings, social media, and online classes, this MiFi is more than capable when you are in an area with a good 4G coverage. On to the next, let's talk about the battery life, and this serves as a backup of this device. Powering the MiFi is a 3000 mAh removable battery. In normal everyday use, you can expect several hours of continuous usage before needing to recharge. If you are browsing, attending online meetings, or working remotely, it should comfortably get you through a good part of the day. Since the battery is removable, replacing it in the future is also easier than on many sealed devices. Alright, who should buy this device? Who is this MiFi actually for? I will recommend it for students who need internet on campus, a remote worker, a small business owner, and for people who travel frequently, and families who want to connect multiple devices without installing a fixed broadband. It supports up to 8 connected devices, and this is making it suitable for small groups. So let's move to the pros and cons of this device. And the first pros about this device, I would say, is that it supports a multiple network. The universal version supports multiple networks. And secondly, it is compact and portable. It supports up to 8 connected devices, and it has a 3000 mAh removable battery. It includes Airtel SIM card with 30 GB promotional data after activation. And notice, this is subject to Airtel terms. The last pros about this MiFi is that it is easy to set up and no essentials, just easy to set up. Now to the cons. So the cons are not really much, because based on fact review with no sugar coating or additional, the cons of this MiFi is actually internet speed depends heavily on your network coverage. So it means if 4G network is not good in your area, so you might not be able to surf the internet smoothly. And the second is it's just limited to 8 connected devices, so it's not designed for heavy office environments. Yeah. And the last is that no display screen. You rely on just the LED indicator, or better still, you still log on to the managing dashboard to check up what you are up to. Right now, my final verdict is the Airtel M30 Pro Universal MiFi worth buying or not? Yeah, to me, I would say yes, especially if you are looking for a portable internet solution that's simple to use and flexible enough to work across multiple Nigerian networks. The included Airtel SIM and 30GB promotional data make it even more attractive for first-time users. Just remember that no MiFi can magically improve a weak network signal. Your experience will always depend on the quality of coverage where you are. Overall, it's a practical choice for students, professionals, travelers, and anyone who needs internet on the go. If you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Mighty Solution for more honest tech reviews like laptop tests, smartphone comparisons, and networking gadgets. And also, let me know in the comment section which networks gives you the fastest internet where you live. Is it MTN, Glo, Airtel, or 9mobile? Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Love you guys.